Welcome back to Morning Markets on Thursday the 2nd of December. On screen we can see the key market moves of yesterday. In general, we experienced a strong bounce back in European and UK stock markets, with technology, industrials and energy leading the way. The US stock market was more challenged, pulling back after the strong gains made in the morning after the first case of the Omicron coronavirus strain was identified in the US, challenging returns within the airlines and cruise operators due to the threat on activity levels. In terms of economic news, two areas to discuss this morning. We had the beige book yesterday from the US. We also had PMI indicators from several regions. This morning we'll focus on the US, Europe, the UK, Japan and China. So what is the beige book and what was the key takeaway? This is a survey conducted by 12 regional federal banks in the US. It's complete 8 times per year to gauge economic conditions in various districts. The book was more optimistic than the October assessment. Consumer spending was increasing, leisure and hospitality industry activity was improving, and despite supply chain delays, construction activity and manufacturing was also improving. The more bullish assessment was one of the factors giving the Federal Reserve greater confidence to begin to wind back their quantitative easing programme more quickly to manage inflation, with greater confidence that this can be done whilst not disrupting growth. The caveat being the information was published prior to the identification of the Omicron variant in the States. The second piece of information is PMI data. So PMIs, what are they and why do they matter? PMI stands for Purchasing Managers Index. It's used to provide an estimate of prevailing direction of economic trends in the manufacturing and service sectors. The indice has historically demonstrated a strong relationship with economic growth. So what did the readings show? Today we received readings on the manufacturing side. In the index we are looking for a reading above 50 to demonstrate expansion. What we can see on the charts is some really strong readings above 50. Within the reports we're seeing strength in demand from consumers and demand from companies to rebuild stock levels. The supply lead times were cited as a challenge. So a lot of green on the screen there, which is positive. So what's the key takeaway? The readings are positive, demonstrating that against a backdrop of rising prices, demand remains firm within businesses and consumers. We'll learn more about the COVID-19 variant over the coming weeks, but recognition that company and consumer demand prior to the outbreak of the new variant has been very strong is encouraging. Thank you very much for watching.
Subscribing to the True Potential YouTube channel is quick and easy. Simply go to the channel on your desktop or through the YouTube app on your phone and click the subscribe button. You can then press the notification bell symbol if you wish to be notified as and when new videos are released. Doing this is a great way to keep yourself updated with market developments and personal finance insights. Thank you to everyone who has subscribed, and we look forward to continuing to help you do more with your money.